Hey guys, Matt Cantu here with Dominating Charts. I'd like to go over how I came across hisogenics today, September 13th. And I know it's been a little while, but I'd like to go over some tips and tricks on how I find these stocks and how I perform my swing trading and how you can be successful too in these tips that I give you guys. Um, so let's get started. What I like to do is use FinViz. FinViz is very good. It's a screener. You can pay. It's free, but it can get even better if you pay the for this monthly subscription. And I don't pay for the monthly subscription, but I do use the free one, and it's great. I recommend it to anybody. It's a free website. FinViz. You can look it up on Google. If anything, I'll leave a link in the description. And I want to show you guys how I found my companies that I want to invest in. So I usually look around the 1 week performance to 1 month because I'm a swing trader. Um, I like to get into a trade and sell a trade within 1 to 4 weeks. So one week to a month is how usually what I try to do. Or even sometimes I hold them for 3 months, but 3 months is kind of long for me, and I like to get in and out and make my profits. So definitely look into the groups. Um, See here, we got utilities, week performance. So that means this week I would be looking into utilities and see what possibly could be bouncing for this week coming up or within the month. So you see, I wouldn't hold on to this more than a month. Utilities, more than 3 weeks, I'd say. But yeah. All right. So the company I made my $300 profit in is Isogenics Corporation. Um, it's a penny stock, less than $5. I noticed that the the volume was relatively low, going on passing the let's see here, passing the August announcement for their earnings conference, and I noticed that they had a big sell-off. Let's go to one here in September after August, and when it came down to here, I seen that the says my daily moving average for 8 days. I like to keep it at 8 days. It's not too much and it's not too low, so it gives me an average of the moving average and how the company's performing and the stock market's performing. And I in September 13th, so this is when I got in here, and this is when I got out, 4th. So I bought in at 70 cents. It went down a little bit. I think it was to 51 cents. It got as low as 51 cents. I didn't panic. I knew why I chose this stock, and I understood that it was going to go low just a little bit more. I had it written down. I figured it would go down just a little bit more, but I wasn't sure. So I took a chance, bought in at 70, and went down lower. Then I bought in at 60 cents, 300. I think I bought 300 more stocks at 60 cents, and then it went down to 50. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna buy anymore. I'm just gonna let this little put 900 shares go through and just be patient. Guys, you guys need to be patient on the stock market. It's a big deal to be patient. Remember why you got into it, and you know, study, study these charts so you guys can feel comfortable within to put puts and possibly make profits, guys. I mean, it's if this it isn't easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it. So I got in at my averaging was 66 cents. So I had 900 shares at 66 cents, held for 4 weeks, a month, less than, or really less than 4 weeks. And I came out on top. I figured, it would soon blow. And look at it. And if you guys have to get in before the news leaks. If the news leaks 7 times out of 10, you're already too late. That is a big thing. Get in before the news leaks. Study these charts, guys, and you know, believe in your technical indicators. Trust them. You see here, this is a big reason why I got into this stock in the first place because the RSI was relatively low, and I seen that in the past it has attention. It definitely has attention. You know, not much attention, but now it's starting to get attention. But it's starting to get up and do some work. And if you guys study the company, you guys always need to study the company. There's a relative, the MACD shows a trend that was going down at a downtrend here, and now it's starting to pick back up. So you see a MACD here, you got a trend, the strength, and then you got the history of the stock on the RSI. I'm not going to touch base on the RSI and MACD today. I just want to show you guys how I came to believe that this stock was going to pop coming soon within the month. So RSI relatively low. I like mine at 28, 65. Guys, if you guys don't know what RSI is and MACD, please look them up, learn them, love it. Let's see what else I can talk about here. Let's go to the company. So I see here that the EPS next year was, I'd say, idea was a good reference, a good possibility. Then I went to the Histogenesis Corporation, and I wanted to study more about the company and see what they're in the healthcare industry and what they were about. And I really loved it. I really did like it, and I decided to get into it. Then they got this NeoCart development new product. And it's designed to rebuild a patient's own knee cartilage to treat pain. It's just supposed to be a lot more better than what they're selling out there right now. And I really liked it. It seemed interesting, and I was like, you know what? I'm going for it. They're in stage 3, look promising, um, and it looked really good. I liked it, so I got into it at 66 cents, averaging out 66 cents at 900 shares, and I sold for $1, which is, you know, I planned on it going to 110, but I was like, I was satisfied with the dollar, so I'm happy I made my decision there, even though I could have made a $270 profit more, but that's okay. I could have lost $270. So within the hour, if I would have waited. So I'm happy with it, and I got nothing to complain about. Um, you know, and when you guys are looking up these stocks, keep in mind, look down here on the conversations and look through them reply to them, answer them, and get an idea of how the stock may perform just by brainstorming other people's ideas, but don't take them literally because they could be wrong as well as you could be wrong. So you don't try to predict the market, defy it. That's what I like to say. Defy the market. Don't listen to the market, defy it. And you'll come up on top every single time as long as you're doing it right and studying these charts and companies, you'll be fine. So, well, I think that's about all. Well, let me show my profit so I can show you guys here and what I made. Sorry about, I'm just starting out and I know I'm not perfect on my videos, but I would like to show you guys how this is my new investment that I'm doing now. Um, I'll go over that another time. Let's go here to Histogenics. It's at 60 cents now on October 7th. I'd just like to show you guys what my puts in here. So I bought in at September 10th for 420 at 70 cents, 600 shares. And then I bought in again at 60 cents 3 days later and bought 300 shares. So that was a total of 900 shares for September 13th at 66 cents an average. So you see here, I was kind of hesitant to buy again. So I decided to just be patient and just be happy with what I have now and just let that roll. And went down to 51 cents, wanted to buy again, but I said, nah, let's just, if it goes down anymore, then I'll just be screwing myself, putting more money, more money, more money. So I didn't want to do that. So I decided to just stay put with my 900 shares. And coming October 4th, oh man, I smelt it. I smelt the bounce coming. I knew it was going to come. We see 8 million, 12 million in volume on Robinhood. So I was like, oh yeah, it's coming. Got up to a dollar 30. Got up to a dollar 30 and no 45. I got to a dollar 45 if I'm not mistaken. A dollar 24, dollar 26. Well, I got to a dollar 26 and then came right back down. So, and I expected it to go to a dollar 10 and it raised it by 16%. So, definitely a good call. I like the play. I like my get in, get out play. It worked out well, and I hope you guys can, you know, maybe get some knowledge from this and help you guys out in the stock market and choosing your groups and your industries that you want to get into. Because this right here, what I'm telling you guys, is definitely narrows it down, and I believe the technical indicators that I use, I'm not saying they're the best, but they are definitely accurate and can definitely help you guys out in the long run and become a successful trader. If you guys need me to touch base on anything, or if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. You guys stay safe and have a wonderful day, and good luck trading.